Trying to find you. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I install the wig. If you came here from my plucking video, comment down below some lipsticks and some red hearts and I'll know that you've seen my plucking video. If you did not see my plucking video, I will link it right now on the screen. Yeah, I'll show you guys how I got this natural hairline. And in this video I'm going to show you how I install my wig using Pump It Up Spritz. It's really nice to install your wigs because then you could just wet it and it's going to fall out. I just wanted to do the intro really quick and my wig is already lifting up, so I'm gonna leave you guys so you guys can watch the video. Okay guys, before we start, I just want to tell you this hair is provided by Nadula Hair. This is their 13x4 lace frontal wig in 26 inches. It's 180% density. It is $224.34. So all I'm doing right here is just showing you guys how I install it. So I'm installing this wig with no baby hairs and I'm doing like the spray method. Also, I'm going to have videos popping up in the eye. So I'm going to show you how I find my correct lace color and how to blend your lace proper with your skin. I'm going to be popping up some videos in the eye above so you guys can find it. It's on your right side. So that's probably on your right or your left, one of them, but it's going to be there. So right here, I'm just removing the baby hair area. Regardless if you're doing baby hairs or not, you want to do this part, especially if you're laying your wig down glueless or with got2b or a spray. You want to make sure that you're doing this part. So right here, I'm just going to clip the hair out of the way and you can see my fan blowing the hair everywhere. So all I'm going to do is just get a clip and clip that down. And now we're just going to clip the hair out of the way. So I did, off camera, I did curl this hair. This hair does not hold a curl, just so you guys know. But then again, it's straight hair, so I shouldn't expect it to hold a curl. I just wanted to tell you guys that really quickly. So right here, I'm using my, what is this called? My Pump It Up Spritz. And I'm just using that to hold my wig down. If you guys already have another holding spray like the got2b spray or another brand, you can use that and just spray it right there in between the baby hair and the hairline area. Just as I'm doing, you're just gonna push it in. And my fan was blowing, so while I was pushing it in, it was drying really fast because my fan was blowing. But if you have AC or you're just in a regular place, you want to use your blow dryer on cool air, and that's gonna help dry it quicker. So that's all I'm doing right here is I'm just making sure that I'm combing it back every single time so it's still nice and neat and it's not getting all hard and messy. This combing it back just makes sure that the hairstyle is going to be nice and classy when you're finished. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm just spraying it, and I sprayed it like 3 times just to make sure that it was nicely saturated and the lace was going to be stuck to my skin. And then around the ear tab area, I make sure that I spray it, I rub it in, and I use my comb to press it into my skin. So that's all I'm doing right here. It's super self-explanatory. I just wanted to show you guys this method of putting on your wigs because I know most people don't like doing baby hairs and stuff like that. So I'm just showing you guys what I would do if I didn't want to do baby hairs. So right here, we're done molding that down, and you guys see how beautiful this looks. So right now, we're going to cut the baby hairs. We're not going to be wearing baby hairs, but you want to make sure that you're doing this part. This just gives the wig a more natural look. So I'm cutting off that baby hairs, just like so. I'm using an eyebrow razor. This is the same steps that I always do. And I'm going to go ahead and just spray the hairline down with some of that spritz again. And just make sure you're pushing it in, you're swooping the sideburns. I could have went in and plucked the sideburns a little bit more, but I didn't. Right here, I'm just looking at the edges to see how I want it to lay. And this is where I realized I wanted to do glueless. So I went in and did glueless. So all I did was pull all the baby hairs back. And I sprayed it with some of that Pump It Up spray again. I used my comb to flatten it out and make sure it was looking nice and smooth. You want to make sure that all the hair is uniform, not uniform where it's like super perfect, but you want to make sure that the roots itself is going all the way back and is flat. So you can see right here what I mean. I'm just combing it out and pressing it in and stuff like that. Just making sure I'm pulling out all the random hairs that shouldn't be there. And I do that for the whole hairline, and then I'm gonna be right back.
When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder, let me hold you. Know the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. On and I can seem to keep composure. One on your neck and one leg on my.
You guys, when you're finally done putting all the baby hairs back, you're going to use the rat tail of your comb and push the edges into your skin. The edges of the lace, you want to push that into your skin, and this is what's going to melt it. You're going to follow up by tying your hair with your satin scarves. I do have satin scarves for sale. I'm going to pop them up on the screen so you can see how they look. If you're interested, you can email me. My email will be in my description box. Either email or you can message Tropic Touches on Instagram to purchase. They're selling out really, really fast. So if you want to get one because they're going to sell out super fast. And I'm not sure if I'm going to put them up on the website since they're selling out so fast. So that's all I'm doing right here is just making sure that the hair is parted. Then I'm going to spray some Pump It Up spray just so that hair is going to stay in place and nice and sleek. And this is basically the look. I'm just going to play some music for y'all and I'll be right back when I have more to say.
Fool Keisha, you know you did it. This love, girl, you know you quit it. It's over, I know it's over. 'Cause 1 minute you're down, and you committed. Next thing you're down, out, and you don't get it. I ain't only you down on love. Unless you're down on love. 'Cause 1 minute you're down, and you committed. Next thing you're down.
Alright, you guys, so now that I'm done brushing the hair out and everything, this is the end of the video. I just wanted to show you really quick how beautiful this looks without any baby hairs. I did go back in and define my part a little bit more. I could have went in with like a darker powder just to make sure that the sides of the part was really, really nice and crisp, but it wasn't really necessary. I mean, I could have, but it wasn't necessary. So you guys can see how beautiful this looks. Comment down below if you love no baby hairs or baby hairs so I can know what you guys like. I feel like this is giving me a very natural look because it's no baby hairs really on my face. I just like this a lot. This was really classy. I still love my baby hairs, but this was super, super classy and I loved it. So comment down below if you love this look. I'm just brushing the hair out. We're basically done. I just wanted to show you guys this look and this hair install. This hair is provided by Nadula Hair. Their links will be in my description box if you guys want to check them out. I actually recommend this hair, this wig. But you guys can go ahead and look at more reviews just to get other opinion. But they sent me a good wig. So I really, really enjoyed this hair. This is how my front of my lace is looking. So if you guys want to see a plucking video on how I got this wig to be like this exactly, I'm gonna link it up in the eye above so you guys can check that out. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and yeah. Alright, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really loved it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you learned anything from me and from installing or whatever. I think I showed you guys something new probably every video. I hope I do, and I hope that you guys learned something from my videos. If you do, comment down below.
Girl, I want to hold you down, I'll wait for you, 'cause I'm all the way in London town, trying to find you.